Guys, in today's Python DSA video, I am telling about the graph algorithm BFS, DFS shortest path using Python. This is one video is about one introduction. Okay, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about the graph algorithm BFS and DFS shortest path using Python. So let's learn about that. Data structure and algorithm in Python is a beginner-friendly introduction to common data structures, linked lists and stacks and queues and graphs. And algorithm searching, sorting, recursion, dynamic programming in Python, designed to help you prepare for coding interview and assignments. Ask questions, get help, and participate in discussions on course community forum and verify certificate of accomplished from this course by signing up here. Okay, so here you can see it in today's video. This video is about the this video is about one introduction to the data structures and algorithms in Python. This is a beginner friendly introduction to common data structures, linked lists, stacks and queues and graphs, and algorithms searching, sorting, recursion and dynamic programming in Python. Okay, so it's designed to help you prepare for coding interviews and assignment. This course is designed for that. Okay, so this one video is about the introduction, and I give you an introduction about the graph algorithm BFS and BFS and DFS shortest paths using Python. So if you I appreciate your support. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you do not check my whole play yet, so move on to the code with pk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class like that. So now for today, goodbye.